Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now we start second part of our topic about PowerPoint. Last time, if you remember, we learned about slides and presentation. So what is presentation? A presentation is a systematic display of information on a particular topic. For example, if you write about Earth, so you may insert some pictures about Earth and different things. So this is your topic about Earth, and these are different presentation. And a single or individual page in a presentation is called a slide. So this is here you can see written here blank presentation, and this for one page is one slide. And you can see here different colors and pictures are appear. So these are called themes. You can select any theme for your presentation. For this you not need to make background colors and like this one, because this is already available. Now today we learn about the third thing, which are the templates. So what are templates? You can see here search for online templates and themes. These are also same like themes, but you can search, if you search from the internet, you can search for your particular topics about that slides. For example, if I write here nutrition, so and search this, you can see this page is available, and there are 4 pictures are also here. So you can select any of this picture. For example, I select this first picture, and here you can see option create. So you can create this, click on create, and it take a little time. After this will be appear. Now you can see here this is first slide disappear, and here 2 3 4, how many slides you want to insert. These are, you can see different slides are available, and here already information about this, you can see all this available here. So if I click on any of the slide, you can see first blade bound here you can change the data, but this is already slides these are making here. So this is very easy for you to insert the data in this. You can check, this is title and contents, and when you click here down, you can see graph here, and like further information, like here they write add a slide title. For example, if first 5 slides are already available, and in 6 slides you want to insert any type of data, so you can insert here. Okay, so this is very easy way by using templates from the internet. Now you can see I write here my favorite food. When you open this template, you can see these document properties also appear here. If you want to fill this, it's up to you, otherwise cross this, so this will be disappear. Okay, now if you want to insert any other thing or write any text here, like you can write fruits and vegetables. Okay, after this, in next slide, this slide number 7, here you can see this shape is already selected like this one, or if you want to change this, you can select from here page layout, this layout, you can change this, or otherwise no problem. Click to add text, here you can insert text, or you can select any picture. Here you can see from the down there are some pictures, options of pictures. So if you want to select any picture which is already in your computer, you can select from here. Okay, but I don't click this one. And if you select from here insert tabs, and you can see here pictures, and second one is online pictures, so you select online pictures and wait a little. So you can see here this Bing image or an online drive. I click on Bing image, and after this search here, this take, okay, here some pictures are available. These are pictures of flowers, so I write here fruit and vegetables. search here, or you can click on enter. So they start working. Okay, now you can see there are different pictures of fruits and vegetables are available. So you can select any of this picture. You can see there are hundreds of pictures are open, and each picture you want, you can select that picture. Okay, suppose if I want to insert this, I select this picture and it take a little time to download. So this picture is available here. And suppose if you insert any other picture again, so I select here insert online pictures, and same process I repeat here from image, and here fruits. Okay, so this time only fruits, pictures of fruits are available. So you can see different pictures are here, and suppose I select this picture and insert. So this again take a little time, and okay, so this picture will be inserted. Now you can see this automatically appear here. So here you can write text, like you can write fruit here, fruits, and here you can write vegetables. If you want to change the color of this, only select this, and here you can see color. So which color you want, like this one. And if you want to increase size of this, little bit increase, like 36. And if you want to bold this become bold. And okay, now here if you want to change the color of the fruits also, you select this and change this. For example, like okay, this one, and again bold it and increase the size of this, like 40. So you can see the final shape of this one. Here add a title, so you can add any title of this. So I write here, always take healthy food. Okay, now in the next picture also if you want to insert anything, for example here in your book picture of house. So if you want to insert again house, go online and wait a little. So insert here this search from here, right here house, and so wait a little. So you can see different pictures of houses are open. You select any picture if you want, which picture you like. So you can see there are many pictures. Suppose I select this one and insert. So it take a little time. So you can see these pictures